we're going to be using the most modern, recent, or trendy technologies people are using. Um, yeah, we're going to be using Atom. We're going to be communicating with Slack because those are the most promoted applications and environment for developers. And as a quick reminder, there is a plugin for Xcode that is supported by Node.js, but we're not going to be using Xcode. Just that was a quick note to remind you all that it is possible to develop your applications using Xcode and this free plugin. I just made an introductory video for the tutorial, but I regret immediately what my decisions have been because Atom is also free and it's open source. A lot of people like that. A lot of people give the right value to that, and don't exaggerate either the value of open source. You just need to know what are the advantages and disadvantages of using applications that are totally exposed to the public. But whatever. Well, what is the point of using cross-platform applications if we limit ourselves to a single environment? And I'm going to be, I already know how to use Atom. I've used it before, but we never stop learning. And I'm sure I'm going to be learning a lot. You're going to be learning with me. And the point of cross-platform is that our teams are communicated seamlessly, and I'll be translating these tutorials via subtitles with subtitles, and also I'm going to be dubbing the audio for Spanish, which is my native language. This tutorial also helps me to practice my English, but I'm going to be dubbing for Spanish and for other languages that I've been learning these years. And we can work with all of them without any discrimination based on software, hardware, whatever. And let me remind you all that to be a professional developer, it is necessary that you learn to debug your applications. So I have another laptop which has Linux installed. I suggest you use a system, an operating system that is native. It's Unix based natively. But if you are comfortable using Windows, go ahead. There are plenty of pretty high quality equipment out there that can serve your purposes of developer. The one I was talking about. And I want this tutorial to be useful for newcomers. I have Windows installed on this MacBook. Always original software, people.
Yeah, that's it for the introduction. So, for Mac OS, pretty straightforward. You can download it for Linux, you can download it for Windows.
You can tell a person really uses their laptop for work when the keyboard is worn down. And anyone's MacBook Pro has Boot Camp, which helps you install your original copies of Windows. So there's Windows in another partition.
Do you want to allow downloads on I/O? Sure. It's downloading now. I'm gonna stop this video, and this is not the end of this chapter. I'm going to be editing later, so that's the end of this segment.
I can make quick videos for other people so everyone knows how to work. We're going to be using test-driven development, and we're going to be testing both the backend and the front end, as well as the UE. I can get you started. So I'm gonna do that.